Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review this standing desk by Fezibo. So this desk is great to create this very motivating working atmosphere because it's so very comfortable. And when you are working on whatever you're doing, it's your business or you're working from home, or even if you are doing your taxes, stuff like that, you need to be concentrated, you need to be motivated to work. And this is why comfortable working area is so very much important. Guys, today I'm going to review this standing desk by Fezibo. They are having tons of different options on their website. You're very welcome to check them out. I'm going to leave you all the links down below and the description box to this video of mine. Well guys, let's get started. First of all, it's a standing desk. So of course that you can take it up or down. For example, you have this control panel right here with two arrows up and down. So currently right now it is on 46.8 inches and that's the highest it can go. As you can see, it's perfect for my height. My height is not an average one. I'm tall. I'm 176 centimeters, or if you're going to convert it into feet, I'm going to be 5.77 feet. I'm very tall for a girl. I used to model, be a top model, thanks to my height and my beauty. So I am a tall girl, and still this standing desk is completely perfect for my working environment. So if I want to work as I standing, this is just an amazing working area to stand and work on. And so that's the highest position the desk can go with. And now I'm going to show you the lowest position. We're gonna push and hold the arrow that takes it down. As you can hear guys, it's a very quiet type of a motor that is working. You basically cannot really hear. And this is how, from standing desk, this one is gonna be convertible into a sitting desk. And right now I just want to show you the lowest position it can go up to. And here we are. This is the lowest position that this desk can go up to. And it is 27.9 inches. That's the lowest it can go. Now, right here on this display, you have 4 positions and you can memorize your favorite position. So at 1, I have the highest one. Now let's define the lowest position to go at number 2. To make it happen, you just basically push and hold the number you wanted to memorize the position for a long time, and it's gonna make it. And now if I wanna bring it up to the highest point, because I decided that now I want to stand and work, well, it's very easy. I'm just simply going to push the number 1 button and it's going to automatically, without me using my hands, take the desk to the highest level, because this is how I define this desk to go. Number 1 goes to the highest position. So guys, as I told you, that's the highest position the desk can go with, and I'm a very tall girl for an average, so it works perfect for you. So basically it doesn't matter what height you are. For an average height, it's definitely going to work. If you are way taller than the average like I am, it's going to still definitely work for you. And now let's talk about how this desk is organized. So it arrived with this additional areas for organizing your stuff, as well as it arrived with an LED light, which is located right here. To connect the light, you need a USB type A connection, and I'm going to use a power bank just to demonstrate this to you guys. Ta-da! Isn't it so very gorgeous? I'm a huge fan of the light right here. It just creates this smooth, relaxing atmosphere, which is motivating you to do better, to work better. Love it. Now let's talk about the organizing area right here. So here you can put whatever you need. So right here I have my pencil case, my notebook right here, my monitor, my computer. I use a laptop, so I love to keep my computer right here. I have my keyboard, my mouse, as well as here the drawers. You can keep whatever you think is necessary. So here I'm keeping my working notebook, as well as some quick access pencil, and it's actually super comfortable. Like, these drawers are making a great difference because you can store some little things in there, like maybe your notebooks or some pencils or office things, like these little things that you just always have a lot of them, like cables maybe, and you just definitely need the drawers to put them on. This desk is on wheels, so it's very easy to navigate and to move this one all around. You can lock the wheels, so it will have a very stable fixed position, but you can absolutely unlock the wheels as well and make this one moving on wheels, which makes it so very easy to relocate your standing desk. Well guys, let me tell you even more details about this desk right now, and let me show you the assembling, which by the way was a very easy one. Let's get started. So this is a Fezibo standing desk. You can control the height of this desk, and that's the best type of desk you can get because this is ergonomically right and correct for your health and for your posture. So guys, first of all, let me alert that it's Black Friday and this is the best sale of the year. So Fezibo is gonna have a Black Friday mega sale of 2024. You're very welcome to go check out their deals. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box so you'll be able to check it all out yourself. They are gonna offer up to 70% off. This is basically the last chance for the best prices of this year. So guys, they are also gonna give free accessories daily and they are accepting 100% free orders on every Mondays and Sundays during the entire month of November 2024. On the Fezibo website, you can find 2,000 plus combinations of every possible thing of like colors, sizes, shapes, motor options for different type of budgets, for different type of room size, and for all possible house styles out there. So guys, don't ever dare you to tell me that no one told you and you didn't know. You go ahead and check it all out. So guys, Fezibo is all about ergonomic type of a design, which is going to be best for our posture and health. So they are offering a full solution of refreshing your WFH space at a best available budget on the market. It is all about matching your home decor style as well. So this desk is available in 2 different styles like designs, as well as this desk comes in 2 different colors. I've got mine in a light walnut type of a color, but it's also available in a black walnut type of a color as well. Also, this desk specific that I'm reviewing here today is available in 3 different sizes. You basically just choose the size that it's going to work for you, as well as you can choose the frame color as well to be white or black by your personal choice. Also, the free accessories that are going to be included with this desk, it's the 4 caster wheels. These are amazing. All of them have stoppers, so you can always fix your desk to be at one place without moving, or you can let them go free, as well as each one of the wheels can be customized and controlled, so you can just do whatever works best for you, as well as it will come with 2 free hooks to hang on any type of stuff that you can think of. On the Fezibo website, you can as well upgrade your desk, upgrade your bedroom, upgrade your office with any other type of devices. They're all office oriented, so you can find their ergonomic chairs, cabinets, power strips, cable management, monitor stands, and so very on. While you are gonna purchase your desk, you will be able to add all these at the best price available to your cart directly. So guys, I am working a lot on my computer and I am working on my desk most of the time of my day. So this is why it's important to me that my desk will be ergonomically designed, as well as it will be comfortable and will create a motivating type of environment for me. So first of all, let's talk about the design of this one. It's definitely a pleasure to anyone's eyes just to basically look at this desk. It's gorgeous. It's perfect aesthetic design. It's made of like the stable, rock solid type of materials, and it's the most cost-effective and best budget desk out there. By the way, it arrives in 2 boxes and it was such a breeze to assemble this one. The assemblation process is an easy one and fast one. It comes with user manual and it's easy to navigate through the instructions. The desk is very stable, as well as the height adjustment is very easy and smooth one. This desk is offering 4 memory presets, as well as a sedentary reminder. So if you're sitting for too long, the desk is gonna alert you by itself to stand up and start working as you stand. So guys, if you didn't know, working at a standing desk is definitely considered better than sitting because it can improve your posture, reducing your back pain, boost your energy levels. Also, it's gonna increase your productivity and it's potentially gonna lower your risk of any health issues associated with prolonged sitting, like obesity and any type of cardiovascular disease. However, it is also very important to note that standing for extended periods can also cause discomfort. So a sit-stand type of a desk, exactly as this one by Fezibo, is the most recommended type of a desk to switch between the positions through the day. This desk is perfect for any type of storage and organizing, so it comes with a declutter workspace like drawers and monitor stand, as well as it's easy to manage cables with this desk. It has 10 plus diverse aesthetic styles, which will make any environment to feel like renewed. It is all about our health, so it's made in an ergonomic way. The desk addresses issues from prolonged sitting, poor posture, and neck or shoulder pain, while adjusting for different body types, heights, and preferences. This is why a sit-to-stand type of a desk is a must for everyone out there. Also, this desk is all about boosting our productivity and to motivate us to basically work more and to get inspired. So this desk helps me to improve my efficiency a lot. This desk is also coming with a gorgeous 5V LED strip light that you can choose to put it basically anywhere, but it's supposed to go right under the drawers and like the monitor area. But you of course feel free to let your imagination to take you whatever you feel like. This specific desk that I received is offering the floating drawer type of a design, which means it's more practical and aesthetic. So it has this clever hidden type of a base design. So while using using the immersive ambient light to create a high-tech sense and elevate the aesthetics of the table to the next level. So it has a monitor stand, a storage cubicle, and 2 drawers. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. I truly hope it was helpful. I am honestly a big fan of this standing desk by Fezibo. I will highly recommend you guys to check this one out. It did a great difference for me, so now I feel more motivated to work. This amazing LED light that goes underneath, creating this comfortable, motivating atmosphere to work, and I love just hanging out here, taking care of my staff, taking care of my business, of my taxes, and so very on. So guys, be so very sure to check Fezibo out. They are having an amazing Black Friday sale, so I will leave you all the information down below in the description box of this video of mine, as well as any other type of discount codes, coupon codes, Black Friday sales information, promotions, and so very on. As well as I'm gonna update the description box as something new is gonna be launched, some new discount code. So even if you are watching these videos 2 years later, the description box is still gonna be relevant to your specific time frame that you're watching it in. I'll be happy to know what's gonna happen in 2 years from now. That's interesting. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next video. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.